The NIVEA brand is one of the most recognized skin and beauty care brands in the world. NIVEA cream was first introduced in 1911, and NIVEA brand now extends to 14 product ranges worldwide, from skincare to facial moistures, deodorant, and shower products. In 1980, when Beiersdorf, the international company that owned NIVEA, launched its NIVEA for Men range internationally, it broke new ground with its aftershave balm products. It was the first balm on the market that did not contain alcohol, which can irritate the skin. It proved to be very popular with consumers. In 1993, NIVEA for Men developed a full range of male skincare products. This reflects the growing social acceptance of these products with male consumers. The brand was able to exploit its knowledge of the skincare market. The company research shows men mainly wanted skincare products that protected the face after shaving. Men were willing to buy products that helped calm and soothe irritated skin caused by shaving. The NIVEA for Men brand was launched in the UK in 1998. At that time, total annual sales of men's skincare products, facial and shaving preparations in the UK were only £68 million, with the male facial products sector was only £7.3 million. Sales of men's skincare products have grown steadily since the launch of NIVEA for Men, and the market in 2008 was worth over £170 million, with male facial products worth £49 million. NIVEA for Men wanted to increase its share of the UK male skincare market. This case study examines how NIVEA relaunched the NIVEA for Men range in 1908. This was part of its overall plan to develop the range in the UK. It shows how the company developed marketing plan for relaunch and organized its marketing activities to achieve its aim and objectives. This study focuses on how a company can respond to change in consumer expectations, external influences, and business aim to achieve these objectives. A business needs to set its overall direction for the company through a business plan. This plan sets out how the company is to achieve its aim. The aim and objectives of the business inform and shape its business plan. A vital part of overall business plan is the marketing plan. The relationship between the two plans is shown in a diagram. Marketing involves identifying, anticipating, and satisfying consumer needs. A marketing plan takes the stated aims and objectives and then puts in place a series of marketing activities to ensure these objectives are achieved. Marketing plan can cover any time period, but normally set out objectives for the next 1 to 5 years at either a business or brand level. The main section of the plan covers SWOT and competitive analysis, assess where the business or brand is currently and what competitors are doing. objects what the brand needs to achieve. The marketing strategy has objects will be achieved. Sales forecast by how much sales are likely to increase. Budget how much the marketing activity will cost and how the plan will be financed. Evaluation has outcome will be monitored and measured. There is no set model for marketing plan. The structure of the plan and the amount of data will depend on the size of the brand, the time scale involved, and how the market and economy is behaving. However, NIVEA's marketing plan for the relaunch of NIVEA Hormone follows closely the outline described here. The first step is devising a marketing plan is to conduct an evaluation of the business, its brand and products. This should include an assessment of the brand's position and the state of the market. NIVEA women need to know what its male customers want and what competitor products exist, as well as targeting the male consumer. Women are also an important target market for NIVEA women. This is because women often buy men grooming products for their partner as well as helping them choose which product to buy. NIVEA Hormone uses a SWOT analysis to help it assess the market. This takes details look at internal strengths and weaknesses of the business, as well as external opportunities and threats in the marketplace. A successful marketing plan relies on setting clear and relevant objectives. These must relate directly to the business or overall aims and objectives. In other words, the marketing plan must fit with the overall company strategy that is set out in the business plan. Firestone states its goals as to increase our market share through qualitative growth. At the same time, we want to further improve our sound hearing performance so that we can fulfill our consumers' wishes and needs with innovation today and in the future. This will give us a strong position within the global competitive environment. The marketing team sets smart objects for the NIVEA Hormone relaunch. These are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, given the available resources and time constraints to be achieved by given data. The marketing team uses research data to forecast market trends over the next 3 to 5 years. This helps them set specific strategies, specific targets for increasing sales, growing market share, and improving its brand image. Firestone wanted to increase its UK market share for NIVEA Hormone, but also wanted greater market preparation for male skincare products. In other words, it wanted not just a greater share of the existing market, it wanted to expand that market. It wanted more men buying skincare products. One key aim was to move men from just considering skincare products to making actual purchases. It also aims to sell more male skincare products to women. Research has indicated that women were often the initial purchaser of skincare products for men. NIVEA men used this key fact as a way to increase opportunities for sales. Another object was to develop the NIVEA men brand image. The NIVEA brand has always stood for good quality products that are reliable, user-friendly, and good value for money. The brand core value are security, trust, closeness, and credibility. This value would be strengthened and expanded on with the relaunch to get more men and women to think of NIVEA as the first choice for skincare. The NIVEA Men team devised marketing strategies to deliver its objectives. These strategies set out how the objects would be achieved within the design budget set by the management team. This focus on product development combined with an emphasis on consumer needs is a key differentiator for NIVEA Men. It is a major reason why in the UK the brand is still the market leader in the male facial skincare market. Another cornerstone of the UK marketing strategy for the launch was promotion. NIVEA sought to build and develop the approach it had used in the past. In the 1980s, advertising in men's style and fashion magazines, along with product sampling, was a major promotional tool. In the 1990s, the company used radio, television, and press advertising together with sampling. Since 2000, there has been a greater emphasis on consumer needs and an increasing use of experiential activities in the promotional mix. Experiential marketing is about engaging consumers through two-way communication that bring brand personalities to life and add value to the target audience. This helps build an emotional connection between the brand and the consumers. It is important to get the promotional brand right. NIVEA Men promoted the new launches of its products through a mixture of above the line and below the line promotion. The use of sports was a key element here. NIVEA Men supported football events at the grassroots level through its partnership with Power League to build positive relationships with men. This helped create a stronger brand affinity for NIVEA Men among men. It also allows the brand to build and maintain a consistent dialogue with men, which helps to drive sales. Above the line, promotion included television and cinema adverts, which reached a wide audience. By using links with sports, NIVEA Men aimed to build a positive male image associated with male facial skincare. The brand also benefited from press advertorials in popular men's magazines, making the daily usage of their products more acceptable. Promotions were used to attract new customers. For example, the distribution of free samples encouraged trial of NIVEA Men products, which drove purchases. These promotions have helped build up brand awareness and consumer familiarity which reinforced the NIVEA for Men brand presence. There is a dedicated NIVEA for Men website to support its products and provide information to educate men on their skincare needs. To enhance the brand, a tool called Configurator was created on the website to help customers specify their skin type and find the product that best fits their needs. The marketing plan is a cycle that begins and ends with evaluation. The final stage in the marketing plan is to measure the outcome of the marketing activity against the original object and targets. Continuous evaluation helps the marketing team to focus on modifying or introducing new activities to achieve objectives. NIVEA for Men adopt a range of key performance indicators to assess the success of the NIVEA for Men launch in the UK. It looks at market share. Did the relaunch accelerate this growth and help achieve its market share objectives? NIVEA for Men is market leader in many countries and is consistently gaining additional market share. Overall sale was this in line with objectives. Internationally, NIVEA for Men skin product grew by almost 20%. Its sale in the UK market at retail in 2008 were nearly £30 million and in line with expectations. Brand image rating NIVEA for Men was the best skin winner in the FHM Grooming Award 208 for the fifth year running. This award was voted for by consumers. It illustrates that NIVEA for Men has an extremely positive brand image with consumers compared to other brands. Product innovation. It responds to consumer feedback and following extensive product innovation and development, the NIVEA for Men range has been expanded and the existing formulating improved. These results show that in the UK, the NIVEA for Men relaunch met its overall targets, which was a significant achievement considering the difficult economic climate. The marketing plan for the relaunch used past performance and focused data to create a new marketing strategy. This built on the brand and company's strengths to take advantages to the increasing change of male attitude to using skincare products.